What is the subrogation negotiation timeline? Have you ever wondered what happens after an auto accident claim is settled? The subrogation negotiation timeline is an important part of the auto insurance claims process. Let's break it down step by step. First, the timeline kicks off when you file a claim with your insurance company. This happens regardless of who is at fault in the accident. Your insurance company will process and settle your claim first. They pay for your damages or medical costs based on your policy. Subrogation doesn't start until your claim is fully resolved and your insurer has paid the necessary amounts. Next, after your claim is settled, your insurance company will investigate to figure out who was responsible for the accident. This is a key step because subrogation relies on establishing fault with another party or their insurance company. Once fault is determined, your insurance company will reach out to the at-fault party's insurance company to negotiate reimbursement. This negotiation phase is where your insurer tries to recover the amount they paid out on your claim. This includes your deductible if applicable. Expect some back and forth discussions over liability, damages, and how much needs to be paid. Now, how long does this negotiation take? The timeline can vary quite a bit. It depends on how complex the case is, how willing the parties are to cooperate, and the amount of money involved. Typically, insurance companies aim to resolve subrogation claims within a few weeks to a few months after your claim's settlement. For example, once a settlement agreement is reached, insurers usually issue reimbursement checks within about 30 days. However, if the case is more complicated, it might take several months or even longer. After successful negotiation, your insurance company will receive reimbursement from the at-fault insurer. If you had to pay a deductible, you may also get that amount back. This wraps up the subrogation process from your perspective. Keep in mind, you might receive a subrogation letter asking for your cooperation or response within a specific timeframe. Responding quickly can help avoid delays. If you have a lawyer, they can manage subrogation negotiations for you, which might lessen your financial responsibility. The timeline can be influenced by disputes over fault, the extent of damages, or delays in communication between insurers. Overall, the subrogation negotiation timeline generally begins after your claim is settled. It involves determining fault, negotiating between insurers, and finally receiving reimbursement. While it often takes a few weeks to a few months, the exact duration depends on the specifics of your case and how efficiently the insurers operate.